Good afternoon and good evening. I am a financial analyst. If you have not subscribed to this channel or like a video, please click the like button so that you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. I just want to share with you how you can use the RSI indicator as a confirmation, not indicator for you to take trade at will. It is used as a confirmation of your own strategy. You have seen a strategy, you are trading your strategy, and you just use the RSI to confirm your strategy. That is how I use it. So I will show you how you can use it profitably. How professionals use it as entry trigger. Now let's add our indicator RSI, and I will show you my settings. Now we'll come to the settings. This moving average, I don't need you. Just the RSI I need. Bollinger Band, I don't need you. Lower band, I don't need you. Upper bands, middle, I don't need you. RSI, background, okay. Okay. Now Bollinger Band, auto fee. Now visibility. Now we'll go to the inputs. The RSI length is default, which is the 14. The only thing we are going to change here is the we are going to change the description of the RSI. Now you activate this place, and the middle line is the 50. Now from this 70, I will change it to 80, and this 30 I'll change it to 20. Now you okay, the RSI is set. Now how do I trade with this RSI? Now when you have a strategy to take a buy setup or a sell setup, now I use this RSI, the overbought and the oversold, which is whenever I have a sell setup from the higher time frame, I will go to the 15-minute time frame and ensure that this RSI is at the region of 80, 60, or 70, or below 50 for me to take that buy trade. Now, take for instance, gold gave us a bullish engulfing candle at the 4 hours. Now we are waiting for retest. The market didn't come for retest, only for the market to break above the resistance and came back to test the resistance at this candle, at this point. Now, one will say this is a pullback and a retest. Now, for you to take this trade, just to switch to the 15-minute time frame and see if the pullback has gotten to these overbought, oversold, then you can take the trade. Now, when it came to the 15-minute time frame, let me do it clearly so that you can get it. sorry, the 30-minute time frame. Now, when it came to this time frame, the first pullback, if you watch in the 30-minute time frame, it gave us a bullish engulfing candle at the 30-minute time frame, the pullback. Now you can find out that the pullback gave us a bullish engulfing candle and the RSI is below 50. Now it is good for one to enter because it is expected that the pullback is over and it is time for the market to go upwards. Now, if you watch the other one again, it went upward and it came down, and you can see this other pullback to the downside. This other pullback, you saw the RSI is below 40 now because we are expecting it to go to the upside. That's why. Now, our bias in this market is to the upside. That is why I'm taking it with confirmation candle. Now, the confirmation candle is bullish pin bar and RSI below 40. But many a times, I prefer to take it when the RSI is above line 80 or below line 20. At this point, you are 100% sure that nothing will take your trade to drawdown because one, the market is bullish and you are waiting for the pullback to be over before you enter. And now with the 15-minute time frame, you have seen that the market has gotten to a place where you can enter for the move upward, and then you have a confirmation candle which says yes, it is time to go, with the RSI below 50, line 50. When it is above, it is good for you to take your sell trade when you have the direction of the market downward. That is when you are waiting for a pullback, and when it gets to line 50 and above, you wait to get a confirmation candle, or maybe the market is in a zone that is a resistance and the pullback came to a resistance. Then you go to 15-minute time frame and look for a bearish pattern. Then the RSI is above line 50. With this, your trade will always go to its direction. Please, I don't depend solely only on this RSI as a buy or a sell signal. One, I must get the direction of the market, break off resistance, then I'm waiting for a retest. At the retest level, there is when I'll go down to the lower time frame to check if RSI is oversold. Then I look for a buy candle, then I enter. That is how professionals use RSI. They don't just go to lower time frame and look oversold and they start clicking buy. Go to the lower time frame, see overbought, they start clicking sell. No, they have the direction of the market and they are waiting for confirmation for them to take the market to their